So you see, this is a very important issue. Meghalaya Chief Minister, on 2nd June, I have invited Honorable Chief Minister Meghalaya Conrad Sangma to discuss this issue with us. He is coming on 2nd June. We will discuss that. Some water will have to come. Like if Arunachal there is a rain, people get flood here. So I cannot say that Meghalaya is a hill, so Meghalaya water bound to come to Guwahati. But that should not be basically that should not also be basically gravity should also not be increased because of hill cutting. So that issue on 2nd June we are going to discuss with Chief Minister of Meghalaya. You will be it will be for your interest to know that Supreme Court has also issued a notice to Government of Meghalaya and Government of Assam on this count. So I think this matter will also go to the consideration of Honorable Supreme Court. Day before yesterday, Supreme Court has issued a notice to both Government of Assam and Government of Meghalaya regarding hill cutting in Jorabad.
You think that this hill cutting issue that you are talking about is really aggravating the things very much?
You see, Aji aru kali jito poribek hoi ase, I should not blame any state because the situation is really grave. Cloud is coming continuously from Bangladesh, Bay of Bengal. So even if there is no hill cutting, then also we will get water. Because today and tomorrow this situation is completely different and I should not blame somebody. But yes, the another issue, Guwahati, Julipar area, Tripura Road, this area there is a problem because of hill cutting in Jorabad. But today's situation is much more bigger. Ajir poribek to jotheshto dangor poribek ইয়াত অমুকৰ কাৰণে আহিছে তমুকৰ কাৰণে আহিছে বুলি কৈ লাভ নাই কাৰণ এই যে huge clouds are coming. আপোনালোকক presentation to আমি share কৰি দিম বহুত বেছি cloud বংগোপসাগৰৰ পৰা আহি আছে গতিকে today's situation I think it is beyond anybody's control.